Hi, I'm Wayne Chaplin, Truck 64H at City of Westminster. Just recently, all the truck companies have acquired the CMC Rescue MPD. Carries 3 NFPA 1983 ratings. That is a pulley, an auxiliary device, and a descent control device. On the front here, we have a parking brake. The parking brake is essentially the same as tying off your brake bar rack or your A-plate. So by moving the parking brake, moves that cam right there. Closing the parking brake pinches the rope. All right, we always start with the MPD unlocked. This handle here is for lowering the load. To rig the MPD, we want to make sure the parking brake is off and the device is closed. You flip the device over. On the back, you will notice you have the load on the right, dictated by the words kilograms, and your hand over here where your rope should be. So we want the rope on our right side. I'm facing the anchor. I take the device, I open it up. I'm going to pick up the rope, come in from my right to my left, make sure it goes through all the parts. I pinch the rope under the becket, close the device, flip it over, attach to my anchor, lock my carabiner, and we are ready to lower. Two very important points here. You notice it says always grip rope on the front, and it says always grip rope on the back. Much like the brake bar rack or a figure-8 descender, it is very important that you grip the end of the rope. Once the device is loaded, you want to give a quick, hard, sharp tug on the device to make sure it's rigged properly. As you can see, the load is not moving. At this point here, I'm going to start lowering my load. All right, I grab the device, and with my left hand, I'm going to grip the rope. With my right hand, making sure that the brake is off, pull up on the handle and turn and lower the load. Just like an 8-plate or a brake bar rack, I'm controlling the descent by squeezing my hand. I am not feathering the handle. This handle is not designed to be feathered back and forth. So again, up, turn, lower the load. When I want to stop it, just let go of the device and the load stops. On extremely heavy loads, I have this secondary friction post back here. I can run the rope behind that bar, and now I have additional friction for those extremely heavy loads. What we're going to do now is convert the MPD from a lowering system to a raising system. First thing I want to do is take the parking brake and lock it. All right, that's gripping the rope. Now I'm going to come behind my secondary friction post here, and I'm going to come up here and just tie a quick overhand or figure-8 across the main line. That's a visual indicator once I walk away from this that the brake is on. Now I'm going to grab my mechanical vantage equipment, put my rope on my pulley right here, put my carabiner on, and I click it to my pocket. Now as I walk out, the rope pays out nice and clean. Take my prusik, put on my 3-wrap prusik, make sure my prusik is properly dressed. Put my mechanical vantage pulley on, lock it. Once I'm ready to haul, I come back here, take the visual indicator safety knot off, take the parking brake off. Now we are ready to raise. If you think about the RPM and the tandem prusik belay, they were designed to work as a team. The way these things were originally designed is 100% of the weight of the system was on the RPM. There was no weight on the tandem prusik belay. The MPDs are a cultural shift in the way rope rescue works. What we're looking for here is 2 MPDs side by side. So in this scenario here, we have the red rope is the main line, the white rope is the belay. You notice tandem MPDs, they work identical. So now we have half of the system's weight on the main, half of the system's weight on the belay. If you have any more specific questions, don't hesitate to call me at Truck 64A, any of your 3 tech trucks, or Heavy Rescue 6.